Yeah. The all-wheel steering is what takes people the most time to get used to.
What is up, you beautiful people, and welcome back. So here we are at Electrify Expo. I just reached here. It's been like 2.5 hours of travel for me from my place till here. Wow. And I'm way more excited to just go watch and let's go and check it out. Woo. This looks like a tea bucket. Let's check this. Check this. It got for the 4 wheels. It got 4 motors, like this big motors. It's an off-roader in an old school way. It's sick, man. It's got the racing seat, the handle, and it got the brakes upwards. Wow. Damn, super cool, man. Super cool. Here's the one. Wow.
It's a Model T.
Yes, I was saying that. Yes, I just recorded saying that it looks like a Model T, but it's damn sick. Wow, it looks so good.
So do you have a channel or something?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel on electric vehicles. Damn, man. We got the number of the CEO and co-founder. Wow. we will hit them all up. We will hit them all up and have a meet for sure.
Here on the steering wheel, you just have your 2 brakes right here. So you have your front brake and your back brake. For our purposes today, we can just use them both. Or if you don't want to, you can just use one. It doesn't really matter. We're not going down steep hills or anything. So. And then your right thumb on the top of the right grip is your throttle. So you have this right here, and then you just push it forward to accelerate. It doesn't have a lot of travel, so it's kind of sensitive, and these things have a lot of torque on them. So they get up and go really fast. They only do 20, but they'll get to 20 really fast. So just be prepared for that when you're first starting off. Just give it a nice slow rock in, ease into it. Yeah, just feel it out. And then it just steers like a normal car. The only other thing that you'll really want to be careful of is the rear wheels steer too. So when you get up to that 20-mile-an-hour top speed, a little bit of steering wheel input has a lot of output. So you just want to be really careful when you're going that speed. You don't want to be going 20 and then like yank it over or something, because then you'll have a bad day. And that's really all you need to know for here. Chris will tell you how to power it on. All right. So yep.
Next is me. We are geared up to go. Yeah, we are ready.
Our shop is open year round.
Here is the throttle. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
What's up? Yeah. The all-wheel steering is what takes people the most time to get used to.
You can surf with it.
Alright, just pull up once you got 10, we're good to go. Nice. Well done.
Bro, that was sick, man. It went so wild. Oh shit, I have to change my t-shirt. Let's first change the t-shirt, then go drive other cars. Man, that was amazing. Hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and check out the Swingbike brand. It is amazing.